All right, you guys, here we go. First run in a long time. Let's get into this. All right, you guys, Andrew Bullock here from Big T's Fitness. I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out my channel where we focus on weight loss, fitness, and a better all over lifestyle. My last video was that I quit on myself. So here's to not quitting on yourself. I'm going to go for my first run in a long time. But what I'm going to do to kind of break it up, make it a little easier, is I'm going to do intervals. So I'm going to do it in the cadence of Tabata, which is 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. For that 10 seconds of rest, I'm going to be walking as fast as I humanly can. So I'm going to be jogging and then resting because I want to do this for a good while. So I'm going to do this for 20 minutes. And so that is 40 rounds of Tabata. So I have a great app. It's called WOD Timer. You go down, you hit Tabata, and that'll go to the normal, I think it's 8 rounds of 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. We're going to change that 8 to 40, hit start, and here we go. All right, you guys, wasn't pretty. 1.38 miles in 40 rounds of Tabata. I am drenched, and I mean a drench. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize it was 95 degrees outside. But we did it, not gonna lie. I did walk a couple of those working sets of 20 seconds because I was dying. But that's okay, because this today was a benchmark. That's it. Doesn't matter how crappy you do. I did almost a 15-minute mile pace. It's probably been 6 years since I went for a run. So hey, that I'm still standing and I'm still breathing by myself on my own with no life support of any kind is amazing to me. I thought I was going to be on a stretcher somewhere. But it was really creepy actually, because the 40 rounds almost ended right in front of my house, which is hilarious because I didn't even try to plan that. I just turned down a random road. I wanted to make this video so that you guys know it doesn't matter where you start. It matters that you start. That is the hardest part. And that is what you can grow on. You can't grow if you don't know where you're starting. Oh, my goodness. I am so hot. I'm gonna go sit in my pool for a little bit, cool off. Do it responsibly though, because I don't want anyone going into shock. But thank you for stopping by Big T's Fitness and checking out our channel where we work on weight loss, fitness, and a better all over lifestyle for you, the viewer. Thank you for all the love and support. You guys are awesome. Make sure you check the links below if you want any Big T's Fitness gear or if you want to get any of the equipment that I use on a daily basis. You guys have an awesome day. Love you guys. See you on the next video soon. No excuses needed.